Okay, students, and now next account, input IGST. Okay, 15th account. Input IGST. In this question, only one entries of input IGST. Input SGST, but we prepare input IGST. So only one entry. Input SGST. Yes, input IGST. Two entries. Okay. So July 20, purchase account debit, input IGST account debit to asset. So okay, and now to asset. Okay, so July 22 asset. So this is the account, input IGST July 22 asset and brothers, एंड नेम तो आएगा हमारे पास में एसेट का, बट अमाउंट आएगी इनपुट IGST के सामने 2400 की. सो 2400 ऐसे हमने यहाँ मेंशन कर दिया. नेक्स्ट अमाउंट है बेटी 23rd परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट, इनपुट IGST एंड कैश अकाउंट. सो वी हिडन. Okay, and now to cash account. 23rd July to cash account. So 23rd July to cash account. Amount name cash, but amount of IGST is 270. So 270 is amount of IGST. Okay, and there is no any information regarding IGST. So now we close the account. So total of both entries 2670 and July 31st buy balance carried on 2670 and transfer to next month August 1st to balance brought down 2670. Okay students, and now next account, is S8 and brothers. S8 and brothers. Okay, so S8 and brothers. So हमने एसेट को डन कर लिया. ओके, एंड नाउ बाय परचेजेस अकाउंट, बाय इनपुट IGST अकाउंट जुलाई 20. सो स्टूडेंट्स जुलाई 20. ओके, बाय परचेजेस अकाउंट एंड रुपीज 20,000 and buy input IGST rupees 2400. Okay, this entry by purchases by input IGST 20,000 and 2400. Okay, and no information asset, no information. Yes, asset brothers to bank to discount, and now हमने asset को डन कर लिया. Okay, and to bank account to discount received account July 28. Okay, so students two side asset brothers to bank account to discount received account, and amount of bank account is 20,000 and discount received 400. Okay students, and there is no information regarding. So total of debit side of asset and brothers account, total of debit side is 22,400 and total of credit side is 22,400. It means no balance, there is no balance. Okay, and next account is yes, discount received account 17 account, discount received account. तो स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड को हम लोगों ने अभी अटेंड कर लिया, बिकॉज डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड इज ए क्रेडिट साइड. ओके, सो डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड हम लोगों ने अटेंड कर लिया. टोटल हिडन क्रेडिट साइड. ओके, एंड नाउ बाय एसेट एंड ब्रदर्स, बाय एसेट एंड ब्रदर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड अकाउंट. ओके, एंड बाय एसेट. So July 28 by asset and brothers, but name asset का, but amount of discount received is 400. So we record rupees 400. Okay, and there is no any entry regarding discount received. So 400 and last month of July 31st to balance carry down and transfer to next month August 1st buy balance brought down rupees 400. Okay students, and next account is rent account. Remaining two accounts are rent account and outstanding rent account. Remaining two accounts are balance. Okay, so firstly rent account. So rent account हमने यहाँ पे डन कर दिया. Okay, अब rent account हम बना रहे तो rent को हम लोग ने ऐसे डन कर लिया rent के. So two outstanding rent account July 31st two outstanding rent account, and now we prepare rent account. Okay, so two outstanding rent account. Okay students, this entry to outstanding rent account July 31st to outstanding rent account rupees 1,000. Amount of rent is rupees 1,000, and there is no any information. So 1,000 1000, 1000, buy balance carry down 1000, and this balance is transferred to next month. To balance brought down rupees 1000. Okay, so this balance will be transferred to next month. To balance brought down rupees 1000, August 1st. And last account is student rent outstanding. So rent outstanding account, this is the last account of this of the ledger. So now outstanding rent को हम लोगों ने हिडन कर लिया. अब हमें क्या दिखाई दे रहा है स्टूडेंट? ओनली रेंट, बाय रेंट. दिस इज टू साइड, दिस इज बाय साइड. सो बाय रेंट अकाउंट. ओके, जुलाई 31st. सो जुलाई 31st बाय रेंट अकाउंट. ओके, बाय रेंट अकाउंट रुपीज़ 1000. सेम अमाउंट है हमारी दोनों की. ओके, 1000. सो 1000. And there is no any information, so 1000, 1000, 1000, and last date of the month July 31st. To balance carry down, and this balance दोनों ने ये ट्रांसफर कर दिया नेक्स्ट मंथ के लिए. अगस्त 1st बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी प्रिपेयर टोटल 19 अकाउंट. ओके, वी प्रिपेयर टोटल 19 अकाउंट्स हम लोगों ने बनाए हैं. सो इट्स द ऑल 19 अकाउंट, all 19 accounts. First is capital account, cash account, okay, purchase account, bank account, sales account, stationery account, input CGST, input SGST, output CGST, output SGST account, furniture account, Banerjee Brothers account, Mahindra account, Ramesh accounts, input IGST account, asset and brother account, discount received account, rent account, and last is outstanding rent account. Okay student, so this is the complete question of question number 11. Okay students, this is the question number 11, and we prepare all 19 accounts of this question. So students, I think this lesson is complete. Okay, so you can solve all the question of this lesson. Firstly, you prepare journal entry, okay, at this type, and after that prepare ledger. Okay students, so enough for today. Thank you, and if you have any doubt and query, so you can call me or WhatsApp me.